Every bottle of watermelon juice begins in carefully managed farms. Only perfectly ripened fruit is selected for processing. Each watermelon is hand-harvested to prevent bruising. Freshness is preserved from the very first cut. Only premium quality watermelons continue to the factory. Early sorting improves processing efficiency. The harvested crop is quickly transported under controlled conditions. Maintaining freshness is critical.
The journey from farm to factory is completed within hours. Speed helps preserve natural sweetness. Every shipment undergoes strict receiving procedures. Quality checks begin immediately.
Each batch is tested for sweetness and quality. Only approved fruit enters production. Industrial washing removes soil and field debris. Every watermelon is thoroughly cleaned. A food-safe sanitizing process enhances hygiene. The fruit is prepared for cutting. Fresh water removes every remaining residue. The fruit is dried before processing. Automated cutting prepares the fruit for extraction. Precision blades reduce waste. Powerful extractors recover nearly all edible fruit. The juice-rich pulp flows into processing tanks.
Advanced screening removes seeds efficiently. Only smooth pulp continues forward.
The filtered watermelon juice is now smooth and seed-free. It is ready for blending and pasteurization. The filtered watermelon juice is now smooth and seed-free. It is ready for blending and pasteurization.
The flow rate is steady, but look at the pressure reading here.
The Brix level is perfect at 12, right where it should be.
Measured ingredients improve flavor stability and freshness. Every batch follows strict production standards. High-pressure homogenization improves texture consistency. It creates a smooth drinking experience.
Pasteurization ensures food safety while protecting flavor. The process is precisely temperature controlled.
Rapid cooling preserves freshness and natural color. The juice is now ready for filling.
Every bottle is cleaned before production begins. Sterility is essential for food safety. Automatic capping protects the juice from contamination. Each cap is tightened with controlled torque. Every sealed bottle is automatically inspected. Only perfect products move forward. Every bottle is cleaned before production begins. Sterility is essential for food safety. Precision fillers deliver the exact amount of juice. Every bottle receives consistent volume. Precision fillers deliver the exact amount of juice. Every bottle receives consistent volume. Precision fillers deliver the exact amount of juice. Every bottle receives consistent volume. Every bottle is cleaned before production begins. Sterility is essential for food safety. Every sealed bottle is automatically inspected. Only perfect products move forward. Each bottle receives a unique production code. It allows complete product traceability. Automated vision systems inspect every bottle. Only flawless products continue. Industrial robots package bottles with remarkable speed. Automation increases production efficiency. The packaged juice is securely sealed for transport. Next, the cartons move to automated palletizing. Robotic palletizers stack cartons with incredible precision. Automation improves both speed and workplace safety. Every layer is aligned for maximum transport stability. Corner protectors help prevent shipping damage. Each pallet receives a unique shipping barcode. Digital tracking follows every shipment.
A final inspection guarantees export-ready quality. Only approved pallets continue. Finished products enter temperature-controlled storage. Digital inventory systems manage every pallet.
Finished products enter temperature-controlled storage. Digital inventory systems manage every pallet. Every pallet is digitally tracked in real time. This ensures fast and accurate order fulfillment.
Customer orders are processed automatically. The correct products are selected within minutes.
Every trailer is inspected before loading begins. Clean transport protects product quality. The finished juice is loaded for nationwide distribution. Careful handling prevents transport damage. Every shipment is secured before departure. This protects the products throughout transportation.
Hold that side.
Shipping documents complete the logistics process. Everything is verified before departure.
The shipment officially leaves the factory. Fresh watermelon juice begins its journey. The shipment officially leaves the factory. Fresh watermelon juice begins its journey.
Modern logistics deliver fresh juice quickly. Cold chain transport preserves quality.
The fresh shipment has arrived at the supermarket. Now the products are ready for display. The fresh shipment has arrived at the supermarket. Now the products are ready for display. The finished juice is now in customers' hands. Freshness and quality attract every buyer.
After passing strict quality control, the product reaches consumers. Now it's ready to be enjoyed.
Every step ensured premium quality. The refreshing juice is finally ready to drink.
Nothing goes to waste inside the modern factory. Even watermelon rinds are recycled. Watermelon seeds are recovered for additional use. Efficient recycling supports sustainability. Organic waste becomes valuable natural fertilizer. This supports a sustainable farming cycle. The recycled compost returns to the fields. It helps grow the next watermelon harvest.
Renewable energy reduces the factory's environmental impact. Modern production relies on sustainable technology.
Water recycling conserves valuable natural resources. Clean technology supports responsible manufacturing. Modern automation ensures efficiency and food safety. Every stage follows strict quality standards.
The sorting algorithm is showing a 98% accuracy rate on the larger fruit today. Excellent. Keep monitoring the flow rates on line 3. Every day, thousands of fresh watermelons arrive here. This modern facility transforms them into premium juice.
Automation keeps production fast, safe, and consistent. Every stage is monitored in real time.
Every production batch undergoes laboratory testing. Strict quality control protects every bottle.
Only perfectly inspected bottles continue forward. Every detail meets strict manufacturing standards. Fresh color and natural flavor define every bottle. Modern processing preserves its refreshing taste. Fresh ingredients create a naturally refreshing drink. Quality starts with carefully selected fruit.
Fresh color and natural flavor define every bottle. Modern processing preserves its refreshing taste. Fresh ingredients create a naturally refreshing drink. Quality starts with carefully selected fruit. Finished products are prepared for international markets. Cold chain logistics maintain product quality.
Technology and skilled workers make every bottle possible. Precision drives every stage of production.
The journey ends with satisfied customers. Every bottle reflects careful manufacturing. From fresh farms to finished bottles, every stage matters. This is modern watermelon juice production.
Technology and skilled workers make every bottle possible. Precision drives every stage of production.
The finished product is fresh, vibrant, and ready to enjoy. Every bottle begins with carefully selected fruit.
From fertile fields to modern factories, every step is connected. Freshness begins at the source.
From watermelon fields to refreshing bottled juice, you've seen every step of the complete manufacturing process. Thanks for watching. See you in the next factory journey. Advanced logistics connect factories with global markets. Every shipment is carefully tracked.